Right guys, so let's look at the question. Now over here we have the members that we had on our learning intention slide, and that's going to help us work through this question. So we've got the addition sentence 8 plus 8. So the first thing we need to do is look at the values of the numbers. How many tens and ones do we have? So we have 8 ones here and 8 ones here. So I'm going to put those in the box. So 8 ones there and 8 ones there. So I'm keeping them in the ones box. So we need to add the ones together first. So 8 plus 8. Now it's easier if we make 10 first and then add the rest. So we've got 8 up here. I know my number bonds to 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So I'm going to move 2 up there. So now I've got 1 10 and 6 ones. So I'm going to put 6 ones there. Now to swap these ones, I'm going to change it to a 10. I'm going to put it in the tens column. 10 plus 6 equals 16. So now we have the next sum, 15 add 8. So we're looking at the tens and ones. We've got 1 10 and 5 ones, which I've put there. And underneath we've got the 8 ones. Now, we're adding the ones first, so we've got 5 ones up here. 5 add 5 equals 10, so I'm going to move 5 up. Then we've got another 10, we've got 3 left over. 2 tens and 3 tens is 23. Right, so then we have the next sum, which is 17 add 26. We are starting with the biggest number first, so I'm going to do the number 26. Okay, so we've got 26 with 2 tens and 6 ones, and underneath we've got 17, 1 10 and 7 ones. We partitioned the numbers, so now we add the ones first. So we have 6 ones. Now, I know that 6 add 4 equals 10, so I'm going to move 4 ones up there. So now I've got another 10. I've got 3 left over. So then we add up the tens. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 tens and 3 ones, 43. 25 and 28. Now, I haven't put the remembers there now because we should know how we work through this. So we've partitioned the number into tens and ones. We know the value. So we've got 2 tens and 5 ones, 2 tens and 8 ones. Biggest number first. So I'm going to do 2 tens and 8 ones, and underneath I'm going to have 2 tens and 5 ones. The next step we need to do is that we need to add 2 of the ones up to here because we have 8, and 8 to 2 makes 10. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, 3 left over, 5 tens, and 3 ones is 53.